Hello folks, Jason Chrisman, JC's Bees. We just went through some pretty brutal Arctic temperatures. I know for a few days we were seeing what feels like negative 11, 12, 14. Today we're sitting at 27 degrees. Feels unbelievable. Can almost put my shorts on. But I'm up here cutting some firewood because during that Arctic blast we went through a pile of it. And you know, it got me thinking how important it is that we get in our bees during these times. I know there's a lot of beekeepers that are very skeptical about opening their hives during the wintertime because they believe, like a lot of the articles state, that the inside of the hive is 93 degrees. The inside of the hive is not 93 degrees. The inside of your bee cluster is 93 degrees. So opening the hive, you're not going to chill them any more than what they already are on the outside of the cluster. So you're actually going to do them a favor by popping that top, looking inside, checking the food stores, and make sure they have enough reserves to finish out this winter. We're not far from spring. We're just a couple days from starting February, and usually by mid-February to late February, the maple trees are blooming here. And with that maple tree bloom will come maple pollen, and pollen will start to enter our hives on the warmer days if the bees are able to fly. Once that starts, brood production will ramp up and we'll start raising some brood. And then slowly but surely, more nectar sources and pollen sources start to come aboard, and slowly we ramp up right in the spring. So what I'm saying here is, if you want to participate in those spring activities, it's very crucial that you go out, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in a couple days from today. You go out, pop the top, and just peek in there. See what the food reserves are looking like. If you're not using a fondant patty or a sugar cake on top, and you're just relying on the honey that's stored in the frames, then maybe lift the hive. See how heavy one side of it feels. Does it feel light? Does it feel like they need food? You see, it's very important that we make sure they have food to get to spring, to get to where food's available out in nature. We're almost there, but during these cold spells, they really burn through it. Just 2 days ago, it was 9 degrees. I went out and popped the cover of one of my nukes to check the fondant patty. And I'll tell you, 3/4 of that fondant patty is gone. I was very impressed to see, though, that the feet on the fondant tool was holding the bag open. It looked like the bag in the center was full of bees. And that's pretty exciting to see. So what I want to do this week, here in the next couple days, is go around and give everybody a new fondant patty. Even if they don't need it, throw an extra one in there, because I don't know when temperatures could just go boom and bottom out again, and now our bees are going to starve. Anyway, folks, make a note. You signed up to be a beekeeper. It's your responsibility to go out and make sure your bees have food. Otherwise, here in a couple months, if you open your hive and find dead bees, that falls back on your shoulders, and I can tell you that doesn't feel very good, because I've been there. So do your part, make sure they have food. That's about all we can do right now. I'm pretty excited to tell you that the community Beekeeping Blueprint is back up and running. I noticed the other day that there was some problems with the links to the community down in the video description. This morning that was corrected and everything is back up. So I'd like to invite all of you, come over and check it out. It's $9 a month, but I'm going to give you 14 days completely free. You can also sign up for a year for $64 if it's something you're interested in. Anyway, come over, check it out. I'd love to see you in there. I want to get some new things rolling in there, and I think the more we get in there, the better. So go down in the video description, check out Beekeeping Blueprint Community, and I think that would be real awesome to see some new members join. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. I wanted to share the tidbit about making sure your bees have food and how it is our responsibility as the beekeeper to make sure they have food. Hopefully this cold weather is done. I've seen the prediction for February, and we're projecting up towards warmer temperatures, which I really like. It's also maple syrup season, so if you're into that, it's time to get your trees tapped. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.